Hello students, this lecture is the continuation to the number systems. The last lecture, the video which was uploaded, was based on converting the decimal number, that is the integer part of the decimal number, to binary, octal and hexadecimal. Now here this video is based on converting decimal fraction, that is a fraction that means a decimal having the decimal point and some numbers, to the binary, octal and hexadecimal number system. Now here the multiplication operator, see in the last for converting the integer based decimal number we have used the division operation. Now for converting a fraction we use the multiplication operation to convert the decimal fraction to any other base. For example, to convert the decimal fraction to binary, we will multiply by 2. Why? Because 2 is the base of a binary number. To convert the decimal fraction to octal, we will multiply by 8. To hexadecimal, we will multiply by 16. So that is the procedure. Always remember, for converting any fraction number, we will be using multiplication operation. Now what are the steps involved is, first step is we will multiply the fraction number by the base, that is by the 2 base, to get any resulting number. Now the resulting or the result or the answer has 2 parts, that is one is the fraction part and the other is a non-fractional part. That is, the answer will always have 2 parts, one is fraction and non-fraction. Now keep the non-fraction part. Now repeat the steps, that is we will keep the non-fraction part and repeat the step 1 with the fraction part of the answer till at least 3 times to get 3 answer values. Now write the numbers in the non-fractional part upwards to downwards. That is, here we will proceed from top to bottom. For the division it was the reverse. We had moved from down to up. Now this becomes simpler by seeing an example to it. For example, I have shown here now. Convert 0.2468 from base 10 to base 2. Now see here you are converting a decimal number which is in fraction from base 10 to base 2, that is to binary. Now what is the solution? As I told you, we'll multiply by 2 base. 2 base is 2. So multiplying we get 2 parts in the answer. One is the non-fraction part and the other is the fractional part. Now the ones which I marked in blocks or the covered boxes, that is the non-fractional part. The fractional part I take it next in the next step, carry forward and again multiplied by the 2 base, that is 2. Again keep the non-fractional part, take the fractional part, multiply by 2 base, get the answer, that is 1.9744. Keep the non-fractional part, take the fractional part, again multiplied by 2. So here I have replicated the procedure 4 times. So the answer is, if I move from left to right or if I do it vertically, it will be upwards to downwards. So it will be 0.2468 to the base 10. We get the equivalent binary number is 0.0011 whole base 2. So very easy procedure to convert. Similarly, take another example. Convert 0.865 to the base 10 to base 2, base 8 and base 16. That is, this is a decimal integer in fraction. We are converting it into binary, octal and hexadecimal. Now following the same procedure, let's look how we have done this particular sum. Now the solution is in front of you. 0.865, to convert it into binary, I have multiplied it by 2 base. So 4 times I have multiplied. Marked in boxes the non-fractional part, taken the fractional part, multiplied it by 2 base and got the answer by writing the non-fractional part from top to bottom. So it is 1101. So don't forget to put the decimal point in the answer. Similarly, I have converted into octal by multiplying it with 2 base, that is 8. Every multiplication, taken the non-fractional part, marked it in a box, fractional part multiplied again by 8 and making up the answer. So always remember, your non-fractional part should contain only numbers up to 7. Beyond 7 if you get, that means some multiplication mistake it's being done. So the answer we get is 0.6727 to the base 8. So very simple calculation. Next I have converted into 16 base, that is a hexadecimal fraction number, multiplied it by 16 and done in 4 steps. So every multiplication kept the fractional part, non-fractional part, fractional part carried forward and multiplied by 16. Now for the hexadecimal you have to be very careful. If you are having some non-fractional part while writing the answer above 9, so that you will be representing it in the form of alphabet from A to F. That's why here 1313, since it is symbolizing the alphabet, so it is written .DD76 to the base 16. So this is the way or the method of converting any decimal integer, that is a fraction number, into binary number and into binary, octal and hexadecimal number. So that here always remember, the number is multiplied by the 2 base and the non-fractional part is taken up, multiplied again, the fractional part is again multiplied and